I got a new look, so I'm going to see in a nutshell on your face, like this. Mama, 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 me! Mommy, can you please what's to say? What? What shall we do first? Why, Miss One, my morgue is gonna get your soul. Nah! Ma! Ma! Ah! Evil May! Get over here right now! Let me talk. Come on. Let's stop both. Etu Autumn first. Here it is. Now, strawberry. Okay. Okay, let's see. Evil May, you're so stupid. How dare you go in a nutshell on your face? You know Caillou did that. We have a grounded big time. You don't want to play? We never gonna get for food. That's it. You are grounded, grounded, grounded for life. Go to bed, you stupid head. But why? Because she was so stupid. I'm not stupid. Now go to bed, you go to sleep forever. I really wanted to go. I have a lovely time. I'm gonna screwed right now. Now go upstairs and go to sleep. Okay. And don't come back if you're going to behave.